Hello YouTube authors, BH Blankenship here, talking about an extremely important thing when it comes to writing your books. First impressions. And your first impression is going to be not just in the first chapter or even the first paragraph, but that very first line. That is what sets the tone and pace for the entire body of work. You can have a really well thought out written book, but if that first line is weak, that's the impression your readers are going to get right off the bat, and they might not even finish the first chapter or get to the end of the first chapter and quit after that because you didn't grab their attention. So, really make sure you focus and pay attention. Put a lot of effort into the very first thing you say, because as the saying goes, first impressions are the longest lasting. So make sure you really hone that. I'll give you an example. Yesterday, in fact, I had started reading a book. I picked it up about little over a year ago at a convention. Independent author, small publishing house, probably someone you've never heard of. The artwork was pretty. I was impressed by the quality, production quality of the book itself. I picked it up, as I tend to do, not kind of support fellow authors. But of course, I should be buying a book because I get excited about reading it, not just necessarily to help out someone trying to build their way up, which it's a good thing in itself, supporting the community. But you should be excited about a book when you read it. But anyway, I digress. So I had this book sitting on my shelf for a while, meaning to get to it. So I finally picked it up, started reading it. The first line was dull. First paragraph, dull. So I got through the first chapter, and it didn't really pick up from there. And after that, I just kind of gave up on it. Which I imagine a lot of people do. You really have to grab their attention quickly. I cannot stress the importance of that enough. So as an author, I really pay attention to how well crafted that first line is, because it's that is where you have to get them. And as writers yourselves, you need to put your focus there. Or if you're unsure about your line, make sure you run it past other writers get their opinion on it before you actually put it out there for the public to see. It's anything like that, any bit of the process. You might have to rewrite it a couple times, but in the end, you'll find the quality is worth it. People actually picking up and finishing your book, those numbers are worth it. So yeah, put that extra time and thought into how you start your opening line. And again, this is a tip from BH Blankenship. I'm gonna go ahead and sign out, get this video prepped and uploaded, and I will be back with more later. Alright YouTube, have a great day. Bye. Hello again, just a quick reminder that if you found this video helpful, informative, you want to watch more of them, I do have a subscribe button here. I have other videos you can watch. You can leave your comments below, share the video, any of that good stuff, and I will catch you next time. Have a good one.